Oh yeah, baby. Feels like summertime. And you know what that means. Time for another Redo Blue episode. Roll it. What is going on, everyone? Derek here today, bringing you another Redo Blue episode. Wait, why did I just repeat myself? I just told you that. Anyways, guys, it's no secret from the thumbnail and title of this video, we are finally getting blue re-tinted. Yes, the car is actually tinted right now. I don't know what percentage. All I know is it's absolutely old. It's starting to flake and it needs to be replaced. Ain't that right, Duker? Okay. We'll talk soon. But yes, everyone, as of right now, I am waiting for Jordan to arrive, and then Jordan's gonna take me to my car, and then we're both gonna cruise up to United Solar here in Richmond, Virginia on West Broad Street. They're actually the ones taking me under their wing, and they're gonna hook Blue up, and it's gonna be a great start to a brand new partnership, and I'm so looking forward to it, and I'm super thankful. So Bobby, if you're watching this, thank you so much for hooking me up. But anyways, guys, as of right now, I really don't have too much to film, so I'm not gonna go ahead and waste your time by watching this video. But I mean, if you're watching a DBP video as it is, you're never wasting your time, you feel me? All right, I'm getting a little ahead of myself, but yes, everyone, I will pick up this vlog as soon as they get here. Alright, well, really white. As you guys can see, Jordan and Cheyenne are now here, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna head to my dad's house, grab my car, and I don't think it need to detail it all, because I think they're actually gonna do that for me as well. But then from there, we're gonna head to United Solar and talk with Bobby and see what the plans are. But first things first, to my dad's house. And we are hopping in the Fobra. We are hopping in the 2000 Mustang GT Grabber Blue. I gotta set it back. Ow! Jordan, why do you have a Mustang? Alright, I have to admit, I have no idea why Ford decided to put a back seat in here, because every time we hit a bump, it's like dunk, dunk. Oh, did you hear that? Ford, what are you thinking, man? Corvette, I mean, they're doing it right. Two-seater, that's all you need. That's all you need is 2 seats. Okay, I'm gonna stop rambling. See you at my dad's. And we have arrived. Oh, hello, Blue. Alright, now that we made it to my father's house, really quick before we head out, I want to show you exactly what I'm working with when it comes to my old tint. And yeah, they're gonna have a lot of work, but you know, after this, it's gonna look hella good. So take a look. So as you can see right here, this is all peeling off, and I could probably peel a lot of it myself right now. So yeah, that's the tint right there, and they're gonna have to peel all that off. And I don't know what percentage this is. I want to say it's like probably like 35, to be honest with you. It's a big difference. You can see right there. Yeah, they're gonna have to do this back, and my god, there's a lot of pollen. I'm thinking about doing the windshield. Yeah, I mean, other than that, really, it's just, you know, the same procedure as every other car. I am running a little behind, so, you know, I'm gonna stop yapping, and we're gonna get to United Solar, talk with Bobby, like I said, and from there, we will begin. But anyways, we'll see you, yeah, when we get there. 6105 West Broad Street, about 5 miles away, and let's roll.
Starting route to 6105 West Broad Street.
So, we have made it to 6105. Okay, Jordan's big head's gonna block it now. But yes, we've made it to United Solar. I'm gonna give Jordan the camera so he can film, you know, our interaction. I've never met Bobby before, and you know, it's kind of weird, like holding a camera, vlogging, and then be like, hey, what's up, man? So I'm gonna let him do the filming, you know, so it's kind of low key. Bobby definitely knows we're filming, obviously, so we're gonna head inside and see what's up. All right, everyone, as I said, we just arrived at United Solar window tinting and graphics. So right now, we're gonna head inside. Bobby is waiting on us, and we're gonna see what he can do to Blue. I know we're doing a full tint all around. I'm thinking about with the windshield, like I said, but you know, it's kind of one of those things that are really iffy, because if you get pulled through the windshield, then you know, you're just getting taken something right. So anyways, we're gonna head inside, go talk to Bobby, and from there, I'm not really sure exactly, probably drive the car around, or right there actually. I'm assuming we can put it right through that door, but let's go inside and see what's up. What's going on, man, Bobby?
Yeah.
What's up, man, Derek?
Hey, Derek. Nice to meet you, man. How you doing?
Sure, I'm doing good, and you?
Good, good. You ready to do some tinting?
Oh yeah, I'm ready to do some tinting, for sure. It needs, I was just showing them, I opened up the door and it was like peeling at the top, so I peeled it. Stuff comes off pretty easy, but it came off and I was like, man, this is old stuff, but
okay. Yeah,
it's been on there for probably like 6 years plus, honestly, ever since I bought the car, almost 4 years ago.
So I'm Bobby with United Solar. We do window tinting. We're getting ready to do tint this Mustang here. So we've been in business for about 11, 12 years now. I've been tinting myself for over 20 years. I've got 2 locations here in Richmond, one here in West Broad and one over in Midlothian. And we do also do graphics, paint protection, detailing, and other accessories for cars.
So as you guys just heard, Bobby here, he's definitely gonna be hooking Blue up, and you know, a lot of you have been requesting, Derek, get new tint, get new tint. I've been putting it off, and you know, obviously this is the perfect opportunity to help him out, and he's gonna help me out, so you know, you can exchange work, and everybody's happy at the end of the day. But right now, do you want me to pull it in, or is it this door right over here? everyone, so just got the car in the shop, and you know, from here we're gonna begin this process. Obviously, I'm assuming process number one, like I just showed you guys, is gonna be peeling off all this old tint right here. And you know, from there they're gonna do their thing, apply the new stuff, and I really haven't decided what I want to do with the windshield yet. I mean, obviously it's a fishbowl without it, but one bad thing, state police are definitely cracking down on the window tint, especially on the windshield as well. So as it goes on, I guess I'll just decide from there, but right now they're just gonna go ahead and get everything stripped, and yeah, just sit back, enjoy, and here we go.
All right, so yeah, so in our shop, we take a lot of pride in our work areas. We keep our bays really clean. Of course, they're air conditioned in the summer. They're cooled they're heated in the winter time, so it makes the application a lot easier. We also use our Lumar precision cut, so when we're going to be cutting we're not going to be cutting on the car. We actually cut everything by machine. We're also removing this old window film on here. It's probably going to give us a little bit of a fight, so we're going to actually use a steamer. We don't just go over and rip it off the glass. We're actually going to steam it off the glass. Comes off a lot easier, a lot cleaner, and the end result giving a much cleaner job, more professional job in the end.
So Bobby just showed us exactly what percentages we have to work with. I'm thinking I'm going to go with the 15%. It is a little darker, and it actually probably look 10 times better on the car considering I have a black and blue color scheme going. So right here, as you guys can see, we have 3 tints. We have the 50, you know, that's pretty light. I'm not trying to go that light. 35 is what we believe is on the car now, and this is the 15. You know, I think it's just gonna be 10 times better with the blue paint, and you know, we're doing it, so why not go all out with it. And then I know I mentioned the windshield, but I've actually came to the decision that I'm just gonna get a black strip up top, probably a 5% tint. All right, so we just stepped out for about 5 minutes, and as you can see, they got the first window completely done. And talk about a fishbowl. Man, I should get a pet Nemo in there. Yeah, it looks like your car.
Nothing.
This is so old. Ever since I got the car, guys, this is what was on it, so safe to say we can get rid of that.
And we've got our classic 15, and we're gonna load it up on our plier like I was saying earlier. We cut everything by machine. So we're gonna pull up the Ford Mustang. It's coupe. What year?
99 through 04.
99 through 04.
See right on the screen here, I apologize for the like zebra looking print because of the camera and the computer, but he has my car's templates already out here. So pretty much like he said, he cuts with this machine, and there is no cutting on the car. Pretty much he'll cut those. No, here we go, check it out.
So you can see a little score.
That is awesome. Coming off pretty easy? I saw the back, it looked pretty rough. Is that gonna be a pain to get off? As you can see up here, it looks pretty bad.
It's probably just peeling a little bit up there, but I mean with steam it should come off.
Come right off, awesome. Sweet. So they're gonna go ahead and steam the back, and after that, we should be ready to rock and roll. And here's the matte black vinyl we're gonna do for the rear window as well, because do you wanna explain what the Mustangs have, why we have to use this?
Yeah, absolutely. So on the back of the Mustangs, they have a really heavy dot matrix. Dots matrix is these black dots they put all over the inside of the windows. On the Mustangs, it's about, I don't know, 6 inches wide along the top. They put it in there for glare control is what they put it in there. And the film can't lay down in between those dots. So when you put the film on, it gives it a hazy look, or a just where how it didn't bond or smooth out completely. So with the vinyl, wrap vinyl will actually go into those, in between those dots, and give it a solid look. So anyway, so I'm placing this to the outside. We're checking for what we call in our industry fingers, because this glass is actually curved. So what it's showing me is, and what this does is smooths it out and makes it form to the glass. All
right, looks like we're about to place this first window officially. And as you guys saw, there's a lot more to this than I thought. Literally, like I said, I thought they pretty much just, you know, spray something on there, fit the tint, and then cut it out, but there's more than that. So we're gonna watch Bobby lay this first window and see how it turns out. Looks like we got the first driver's window done. Now he's working on the quarterback here. And just by looking at it, you can definitely tell how crisp and clean it looks. So much better than that old gunk I had on there. And it looks like they made do with the rear window. There was a ton of adhesive, but it's looking pretty clean now. You were in there, he's all dirty. Second window is applied. Just getting all that water out of there, and yeah, that's pretty much it for the fronts. All right, little update for you guys. The fronts are now done. Looks like the quarters are being applied on the driver's side, and yeah, it's really coming along. I didn't realize how dark it would be. Everything else on the car is illegal, as I was saying, so why not? And as you can see, he's placing it right now. He's gonna move it all the way down as far as he can, and that is gonna look very good. And that is dark. and I like it. So right now what they're doing, we're gonna go ahead and do the vinyl strip up top here. As you can see, we have a little comparison. You can definitely tell the difference. This is like standard and this is the tint, so big difference. But yeah, now the matte black vinyl strip's going on to finish that rear up, and then from there we're gonna go to the windshield, and I think that's gonna be pretty much it. All right, now that we got the rear done, we're actually working on the little banner for the front. So as you can see, he's doing the same process he did on the rear. Almost hit Jordan, almost knocked him out. We got 5% on the windshield right there. We're not doing the full windshield. Gonna avoid that for now. Like I told Bobby, maybe later down the line if I decide it might, look better. Might look better with, darker tint. We'll go ahead and do that. Definitely gives that car another aggressive look along with the darker tint. That's for sure. But now that the tint's laid down, Terrence, what you about to do to it, man?
Oh, we getting ready to hook
you gonna hook that thing up?
You understand me?
Yeah, so what are we doing?
Oh, we're gonna wash it, prep it, get it ready. I'm looking at it, decide what it's gonna really need. And I believe you might can get away and not with a buffer. I think I can put an orbiter on it to do what I need to do.
Okay.
All right, basically it's not in bad shape. You did a good job keeping it up. I might hit the back bumpers. I can see where somebody tried to do something with it.
Yeah, there's a lot of...
Lays that back in.
Yep.
But I think overall...
You take care of her?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
We
Looking
need a
forward to
before
it.
picture.
Oh, we're gonna get one.
Get a after.
Hey Bobby, we got rid of that Walmart tint, didn't we?
Yeah, we did.
That looks amazing, man.
Man.
Look at that. This phase 2, right?
Phase 2.
Phase 2, about to begin.
Yeah, get ready to see something now.
Hey, you did really good, man. That clutch is ridiculous, isn't it?
It's ridiculous.
It's ridiculous.
Wow.
Hey, you did good though. You didn't stall it out. I'm surprised, honestly. Well, as you guys can see, we got it in the second part of the shop. I almost slipped and busted my ass. As you can see, we got it in the second part of the shop now of United Solar. They actually just opened up this detailing part. We're gonna go more into information on that in just a moment. But he's already starting on this thing, gonna give it a full wash, and he said he knows what he's gonna do with the paint, little spots here and there. All right, we're gonna let him do his thing, and we'll see you guys in just a bit. All right, so the full entire detail is done, and I truly have to say, I have never witnessed my car this shiny, this clean. It looks insane. You guys gotta check this out. Just look at that. This is a 99, people. Hey, don't be hiding back there. Tell them what you did.
I bumped it on parts that needed. I ordered it to take out the swirls. And then I hand waxed it. Then I took it off. You gotta let it at least dry for about 15, 20 minutes, haze up. And I have a special wax that I can't tell nobody. It's ingredient for old cars.
Fair enough, man. Fair enough.
Only you have to come to see it.
Yeah, seriously. You guys have to bring your car here. This is insane. This is some next level stuff right here. This is crazy. So yes, if you guys want to come here and get some business done, let me know. I will send you the address. We're actually working on an Instagram for this place because like I just said, they just opened up this detailing shop. So we're gonna get this place popping. He's gonna have a lot of cars coming in here soon. So super happy and super excited about it. But let's go ahead and pull this thing outside.
Look at that shine. Can't wait to see it in the sunlight, but that thing is shining like crazy.
Well, there you have it, everyone. Blue behind me, the cleanest you'll ever see here. So I'm gonna be really, really spoiled when this thing gets dirty because I'll probably never see it like this for a while. Terrence, you absolutely killed it. Bobby, you killed it with the windows. The tint looks absolutely amazing and I have no complaints whatsoever. But yes, everyone, as I said, I am super excited. I can't thank Bobby and Terrence enough for hooking it up today. The tint, by far, is absolutely magnificent, as you can see. Like I said, people, United Solar, we're gonna be doing some work for them here shortly. So you definitely wanna go follow them on Instagram. It's on the screen right here. And like I said, we're gonna be doing some work for them here shortly. So yeah, stay tuned. And we definitely have big things on their way. Where are we going? Where are we going? Where are we going?
I still have Panera in the car.
All right, Miranda's?
Yeah.
Okay, Miranda's. We'll see you guys there. All right, everyone, so welcome back to the vlog. This is obviously the next day, and I'm filming on my phone if it looks a lot different than, you know, the previous footage. Filming on my phone right now so I can let the battery charge for today's video. So yes, be prepared. Wednesday's video, I will be wearing the same outfit. By the way, check out this dope SVE shirt. LMR hooking it up. Anyways, let's take a look at this tint now that it's all settled in, and man, it's starting to rain. Just my luck. So this is gonna be a really quick outro, but take a look. So the tint is setting in so nice, super dark, and yes, I love the tint strip up top. The 5%, and I will say it definitely makes it look more aggressive, you know, with that little stripe going across with the 5%. Going on into the back, he cleaned up so well. As you can see, really dark back end, all cleaned up. And if you guys remember in the video, this half up here is actually a matte black vinyl, you know, because of all the dots right there, and the tint won't really lay down on that and fill the dots in. Looks absolutely fantastic. Anyways, guys, as I said, this outro is going to be super short, so remember, if you guys enjoyed, make sure you drop a like, drop a comment, any questions or concerns. If you want to say what's up, that's cool too. And today's DBP vlog shout out is going out to Cuban. Thank you so much for your continued support, man, and make sure you go follow him on Instagram. And if any of you guys want a chance to win a shout out on the vlogs, make sure you follow me on Instagram at DerekBaranProductions and use hashtag DBP Squad on all your posts. And as you guys know, every time I film a video such as this one, I go to hashtag #SeeYouUsed and boom, shout out. And remember, merch link in the description, go buy some. But yeah, guys, as I said, I'll see you Wednesday. But until next time, we'll see you later.
Blow up. I don't even understand how the fuck my plug talk.